Hey, what's up guys? It's all about Minecraft here, showing you how to make a bucket server. And if I sound really weird, it's because I'm real tired. But anyway, let's get started. There'll be two links in the description, and it's gonna bring you to these two pages. And the first link will bring you to this page, and what you want to do is download the recommended build. Once that's done downloading, you'll get something like this. I'm gonna go to new folder, call it whatever you want, but I'm just gonna name it tutorial for now. Open it, and that download, you're gonna want to just drag it in there, drag and drop it in there, and you want to go rename and rename it craft bucket. Next, you want to go new text document, just keep it at that, and then you want to go to your Google browser, or just go into the link, go to wikibukkit.org, setting up a server, and here you want to get your code, and this shows how much RAM you want your bucket server to have. So here, this what you're gonna do, you're gonna see if your Windows get these. This is Java 6, this is Java 7. I'm running on Java 7, and Mac, Linux, and XP are all down there. But for now, I have Windows, and I have a Java 7. And you paste, and if you have 64-bit, you want to go between programs, files, and the closing percent, go to parenthesis x86, close, and save. Oh wait, don't do that, I'm sorry. Open, file, save as. This is real important here, gotta pay attention. You save as type all files, and you can name it whatever you want, like starter.bat or whatever, but right now I'm just gonna put run.bat, and it's important you have the BAT, but in front of it you can name it whatever you want. You click save. You can delete that if you want, and you just whoops. Oh, hold on, I know the problem here. Well, if you have a 64-bit, do that. I don't know what's happening with my computer, but okay, now it goes. It's fine if you say if it says failed. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put the x86 on if you have a 64-bit. I don't know what's wrong with my computer. I have a 64-bit though. And just let that load. And what you don't want to do, if you make the batch file, you don't want to double click craft bucket, because if you double click craft bucket, it will run as a batch file, and when you try to go on the batch file, it would say perhaps this server is already running on that port, and it'll get some error when you try to run the .bat. Next, what you want to do is get an IP. What you want to go to is log me in Hamachi. That'll be in the description. And this is what you want to do. If you have a Mac, just download here, but you want to check the conditions of use. Apparently it's not working for me, but you want to click unman. You want to download the unmanaged, and it'll bring you to installer. After you get the installer and downloaded, a little page would pop up as this. Well, of course it wouldn't have all these names, but let me just fix this real quick. so it's not as messy. It'll be empty. Then you go, this is what you do to create one of these networks. You go to network, create new network, and you name it whatever you want. I'm just gonna put MC tut and put your password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Hello. Put create. But parent, try to make one that hasn't been created, and it'll make something like this. And where is it? Okay, it's right here. And for other people who join your server, you want to go. They have to download LogMe and Hamachi and they have to put network, join in an existing network, and then you just want to tell them your password and network ID that you made. Let me delete this. Okay, and this is your IP 5.4.21420, and what you want to do is right click it, copy IPv4 address. Then you go in your server settings and just paste it right there. Here, I'll tell you. Allow nether, so if you want people to go in the nether. Level name, you could probably leave that same. I'm not sure what enable query is, but allow flight is allowing people to use fly mod. You could get a plugin so people can't use the mod zombie fly mod. And just leave this. The seed, you could put whatever you want. Max build height is how tall you want people to build up to. Whitelist if you only want certain people to join. Spawn animals, self-explanatory. Online mode, you're gonna want to switch that to false is the best thing, I think, so people can't hack and change their account name to yours and hack your server. PvP, self-explanatory if you want people to fight. Difficulty, I think 0 is peaceful, 1 is normal, 2 is hard. Game mode, this is 0 is survival and 1 is creative, so I'm going to switch it to 1. Max players, anything. Spawn monsters, generate structures, that's like NPC villages. View distance, how far you want people to see. And message of the day, Minecraft tutorial. Message of the day is what you see at the bottom. So just run your server. Here, let me start up Minecraft. And when it's done loading, you're going to want to put this. You could put op and then your name. For mine, COD Pro 123. And it ops me. And I'll have another video how to change your IP, because as you can see, mine is lazycraft period no -ip.org. That's my server IP. But you just put in the IP6 address. That's part of the notice why people talking. That's not actually people on the server. But as you can see, it works. Could break blocks. And I will have another video how to change your server IP. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Later.